The younger ones had Beatrix Potter with Mr. Todd and Dirty Rotter, and Skull Nutkin, Pigling Bland, and Mrs. Chink, Tiggy and Winklecat. The younger ones was interested. They are used to reading of the stories of the famous English writer Beatrix Potter. And whom this story about? This story is about is Mr. Toad and Dirty Rotter. Dirty Rotter means dirty dog was there. Okay, and the stories which is included Squirrel Nutkin, a small pig named Bland, this kind of, and Mrs. Stinky Wingle Gland. Just how the camel got his hump and how the monkey lost his rump. And Mr. Todd and bless you my soul, there's Mr. Rat and Mr. Mole. That the stories were that camel's getting hump on his back or the monkey losing the rear part of hairy body. That was the story about Mr. Todd and Mr. Rat and Mr. Mole. Oh, books. What books they used to know? Those children living long ago. So please, oh please, we beg, we pray, go through the TV set away. In this, again, the poet explains that obviously these are the story which are invention before the televisions, which was really interested. That children used to read lot of books. So earlier time, what they read, they just read their books. That's why poets are making a request to parents to throw away the television set in its place. A lovely bookshelf on the wall, then fill the shelves with lot of books, ignoring all the dirty looks, the screaming and yells, the bites and kicks, and children hitting you with sticks. So here poet requesting that we need to install a bookshelf and fill it with the books so that children would protest, would be angry, could make dirty and angry faces, could cry loudly even. But children should care about this. They might even bite, kick and elders with sticks. Parents should ignore their reaction for their ultimate benefit. So we should not care about these activity of the children. We should care about the future of the children. Fear not, because we promise you that in about a week or two of having nothing else to do. Here the poet tells that parents to remove the television set without any fear, and he assured them that their children having nothing to do, begin with that. They will now begin to feel the need of having something to read, and once they start, oh boy, and he is telling that once they are going to begin with the reading, they would take to reading a very seriously, a very interesting. You watch slowly growing joy, the fills with their hearts. They will grow so keen. They will wonder what they had ever seen in the ridiculous machine. The poet here making a sure mood that he tells that parents that once the television set is removed and the children start reading books, then children will be amazingly curious of reading books. They are going to have an interest to do something. They are going to far from away from this machine, which is not good. That is a stupid machine. That non-sitting, fall, unclean, repulsive television screen, which is these words he used for the television screen. And later, each and every kid will love you more for what you did. And in the last, your children is going to love your parents for replacing the television set with the books. This is all about this poem. My dear students, it's an interesting poem which shows the bad effect of a television, in which here in this page poet is expressing that the bad effect of that poem. In this here he told that how earlier time was television was not there, and they are a student is having a habit to read the books. Here he told that what kind of books they read in their free time, how they make their hobby of reading. And here in last he told that their child is going to appreciate you, their child is going to feel proud on you, that you have replaced their life as you replace their television set with the books. Thank you. Have a good day.